Morning, kids. It's Mrs. Strangfeld. I am going to read a story today. It's called There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Williams. There's a little birdie flying around. Piggy! Is there something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They're in love. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds be making a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching? Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Look, little babies. Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds in a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds in a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Look at him flying off. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Uh-oh, silly birdies. The end. So those birds were on Elephant's head, those silly birds. Today, look outside and see what birds you can find. Right now at my bird feeder, I have a cardinal, which is a red bird, and I have a blue jay, which is a blue bird, and I have also little chickadees. They're little tiny round birds that go chick, 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 and they're super adorable. So look out your window today on this cold, snowy day and see what type of birds you have.